In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut lagging while editing. So let's get started. First, close any apps running in the background. Having too many apps open can use up memory and cause CapCut to slow down. Next, open your device settings, go to Apps, select CapCut, then tap on Storage and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be affecting performance. You should also make sure that CapCut is updated to the latest version from the Play Store, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Another helpful step is to free up storage space on your device. Low storage can negatively impact editing performance. If the issue continues, restart your device and reopen CapCut. As a final solution, uninstall and reinstall CapCut to ensure you're using a fresh version of the app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix CapCut lagging while editing. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.